I started baking when I was around 6 years old, and it was a hobby for a while. And as I tried new hobbies, baking was the only one that I didn't quit at. It became a passion. My mom found the OSUIT Culinary Arts and suggested that we took a tour, and I took it and I liked it. I really liked the bakery. The bakery was very nice, very big, so I was very excited to get to work in there. But I also got to learn new skills and see a few of the classes in session and how they worked, and I thought that's something I could do.
Hot pan, hot pan, hot, hot, hot.
I came into OSUIT not having a lot of kitchen experience aside from just me baking at home. So I learned a lot of knife skills, which is very important, but also how to time manage wisely and cooking on tech lines in real time for real orders to real people. That was some good skills to have, and properly baking things and the science behind it. So now I have a good understanding of what goes into what makes what, and how it becomes pretty and good. So I've created a lot of great friends here, and I've got a lot of great mentors as well. Chef Ware's one of them. He keeps me in line a lot of the time. He's really good, and he highly encouraging, motivating. We have our own way of talking to each other, but that's the kind of relationship you build with a student, so that you know that you have somebody there to support you.
I wanted sprinkles.
It's great teamwork. So we get things done, we run it through, and we feel good at the end of the day. And we feel good being able to help each other rather than it seem like we're just bombarding on you. Every chef that I've come across has taught me a lot. My very first chef, Chef Tiffany Taylor, we learned together. It was her first year teaching at OSUIT. She really supported you inside and outside the kitchen. Same with Chef Ware. And same with all the chefs. I'm currently interning at the First Americans Museum at the 39 restaurant. They've talked to me about eventually coming on as the lead pastry chef. The knowledge that I learned from OSUIT and getting to implement that in a real kitchen outside of school, that's very rewarding. And I get to go into the kitchen at FAM, at the First Americans Museum, knowing what they're talking about, which prior to coming to OSUIT, I would have had no idea what was going on. It's a lot moving quickly, but it's what OSUIT's prepared me for. So I'm confident that I can jump in and get the job done.